This brand is made in China and is available online in the USA at Walmart, Amazon, and the Home Depot, but the guarantee on the units is minimal. The APL06CE model uses R32 refrigerant, which is good for the planet and has a 6.6 ER efficiency. They have a 3-speed fan but stationary louvers, which does not circulate the air as good as units with automatic swing louvers. The APE508CH model provides heat as well as cooling and has auto swing louvers for better air circulation. They have a 7.3 ER efficiency but use R410A refrigerant, which is not as environmentally friendly, and they are rather loud with a 60 decibel noise rating. The AP0110C units are for cooling only and have only 2 fan speeds with stationary louvers, but they have an 8.9 ER efficiency and are quieter at 55 decibels. All of the units use self-evaporating technology where the condensate from the air conditioner is used to cool the condenser coil, which helps the efficiency and minimizes the need to empty a condensate pan. The units only use a single hose, which is less efficient as conditioned air is constantly being removed from the room and is replaced by outside air.